hopefully you've had a good go at the validation. What I'm going to do now is just go through the validation for the combo box, the text boxes, the answers text boxes, and the radio buttons. So if you got it working, don't worry. You might want to watch it or skip to the end to see the code. Check that you've got something similar. Otherwise, let's have a look at the combo box. Now the combo box actually is very similar to what we've done. The combo box has text as well. There's lots of different ways of having a look at a combo box, but a simple way is just to say something very similar. We'll say if combo box topic text length length is equal to 0, then combo box back color equals color dot red, ts user message dot text equals no topic entered, and valid question equals false. Else combo topic dot back color equals color dot white, and ts user message dot text equals entering. So it's basically very similar. The difference is we're not using text new question, we're using combo topic. But otherwise, that should work. Let's test it. Let me enter my question, but I'm not putting a topic. Save question. I get the red box and no topic entered. Slight mistake there. So that works. Good. I can stop that. Get rid of my extra E. And combo box has been validated. You may well have done it differently. There's lots of different ways of doing it. So long as it works, that's the important thing. There are other properties that you could use. Next, I want to look at the 4 text boxes. If any of these are empty, there's a problem. So I'm going to say if text answer 1 dot text dot length is equal to 0, then now being a bit lazy, let's just copy this and change that to be text answer 1, no answer entered, and we'll have that. Else, and again let me just copy and paste answer text answer 1, set it to be white, and the message. So what I've done there is again basically the same, but this time I've said if the text box answer 1 has 0 length text in it, set its background color to be red, no answer entered, valid question is false, else set it to be white, and entering. So all I need to do now is copy that and paste it in 1, 2, 3 more times. So here's answer 1, here is answer 2, here is answer 2, here is answer 2. Okay, let's do the next one, which is answer 3. Oh, or 34. Answer 3. And then finally we have the last one. Again, this isn't necessarily the best way to do it, it's just a straightforward demonstration. Oh, I didn't want that. So what I've got now, hopefully, is I must type in, that's not looking so good, let's have a go. What colour is the sun? Try that. Yeah, okay. Let's choose it's not really TV, is it? Geography. Okay, that's happy with that. And type in some, okay, that one's alright. Green. No idea. Yellow. Okay, so it's looking good so far. Let's go back. We now want to do the radio buttons. Now the radio buttons we're not going to do individually, because what we need is to know if any of them have been selected. Some can be blank, so long as one is not blank. So what I'm going to do is if, now this is going to be a bit long, it's probably going to go off the side of the page, but if RB answer 1, now the value I want is checked. Checked is whether it's been ticked or not. So if that equals true, or RB answer 2 dot checked equals true, or RB answer 3 dot checked equals true, or RB answer 4 dot checked equals true. So if any of those, then. So let me just for the time being make that a bit smaller so you can see that. So basically what I'm saying here is if any of them have been checked, then it's all okay. So if RB has been checked, or RB answer 2 has been checked, or RB answer 3 has been checked, or RB 4 has been checked. So if I've ticked a box in any of them, then everything is okay. So this is going to be a bit backwards. So I'm going to say that the group box back color equals white. It's going to look a bit strange. We can come back to that. Else, and that's when there's a problem, group box correct answer is going to be red. No correct answer entered, and the valid question equals false. So this is turned. I could have done it the other way around. I could have, but what I'm saying here is if any of them have been ticked, then that's good. Set a background color white, enter. If not, make it red. Let's just check that, see if it works. So first of all, everything goes red. Let's put something in there, let's put something in there, let's put something in there, and there, and there. So that everything else is okay, and we have our correct answer. So now I select one, and it's fine. The problem is that shouldn't have a white background, but we can come back to that. Now you see, because I grouped them, because we put them in the group box, I can only select one of them, which is quite handy. So I can only select one of them, and so long as I've got one selected, it's going to be happy. Now, if I go back, I don't really want this to be set to be colour white. So what I can do is if I go up here, I click on the group box, I can see that the back colour is called control. So the default normal one is called control. So what I'm going to do is see if I can set this to be control, which I think it might be system colors dot control. There we go. So what I can do is instead of setting it to be red, I've set it to be control. So now when I do it, I get my red background, but once I've selected one, it doesn't set white, it sets to be the same as the other background, which makes a bit more sense. So let me close that, so you've got the code there. Let me change that slightly. So there you have most of the code that we've looked at. Hopefully you got something similar, otherwise you can copy that.